Nangungulit lang. Guys, siya nga pala guys. 49 years old na ako. I achieved this house and my car. I'm so lucky in earth. And this is, yes, I am. By the way guys, siya nga pala. Sana ay maging inspirasyon nyo ang buhay ko. Up and down ng buhay ko ay ako to. Ang pwede ko lang ma-share sa inyo kapag abroad kayo is keep your money for yourself. Why? Because later, you find out that, you know, money is gone and you cannot bring it back again. Why? I experienced so many, you know, so many investment in Philippines that they don't know how to taking care. And later is, there's a regrets in life that, you know, it's gone. Money is gone and you cannot bring it back. Why? Years is passed and you spend a lot of energies and efforts to save that, and then it's gone. And now I work hard for my own future. Why? It's not a regrets, 100% not regrets, but if I look back, I feel like, yeah, much better that I keep it for myself. Work hard for your own future because you know your family is easygoing only. Like in Philippines is easygoing. It's okay if there's a money. It's okay if there's no money. And much better that keep it for yourself, for your own future. And you know what, guys? Nung pinasok ko yung pag-YouTube, doon ko naisip na kung gaano ka-importante ang buhay abroad. Bawat sentimo na kinikita mo, you work hard for it. At kung iititiwala mo lang sa pamilya mo na sila ay easy lang ang buhay nila, naglalaklak sa gabi, chill lang with friends, ay ikaw ang kawawa. Bakit? Kasi guys, you work hard for it. To your own future and to their own future too. But if you realize that they don't know how to hold money, keep it for yourself. Per second, hanggang 5 years na nag-work ka abroad, if they didn't make action, it means that money is nothing for them. Ang regrets ng buhay ko guys ay pinagkatiwala ko, invest, hoping that if I start or invest to them so they can stand up in their own feet. You know what I learned in my life is I learned so many examples that I hope that people abroad, especially they work hard for their own families. I hope that they keep it for themselves too. Give some, not all, because if you give all, everything is gone and you start in the beginning that you're nothing. Hi, sa totoo lang guys, marami akong natutunan sa buhay ko na I cannot bring it back or else I'm gonna be sad. I need to continue my life as chill like them, you know. Since in the beginning, I moved away from my parents when I was 18 years old. Hanggang sa nakarating ako ng abroad. Nung nakarating ako ng abroad, guys, I work hard because, you know, it's my chance to work hard for them. My future is their future too. But, alam mo kung ano natuklasan ko, guys? Sa totoo lang, ang buhay ng mga kapatid ko, lalo na yung mga boys kong mga kapatid, maliban na lang kay Kuya Leo na he work hard for his own life. Yung mga kapatid ko, chill lang ang buhay nila. Drink with friends, or mag-ice ko sa ice-kuhan, sa bungan. Pupunta sa akin, money, borrow money. Alam mo yung kuya ko, sinermonan ko na, the eldest. Medyo eldest siya sa akin. Sinermonan ko na guys kasi since in the beginning, he is very unresponsible to his own life. Pupunta siya dito, he come here to borrow money. I'm not making money poops, you know. You need to work hard for it. And the sad is, until he died, he is addicted for cockfighting. Addicted for cockfighting, and he cannot control himself. And you know what? I feel like I'm adult. You know, I'm all this, her sister say something. His life is relaxing. Okay lang ang buhay niya. Why? He stay in Boracay. I don't know what he's doing there. He earned money, but he's thinking to himself only. And this time, guys, I work hard to my YouTube channel to think, how can I help my family? The first is, I need to help them that they can finish studying. Why? Even that I didn't done. Because when I was high school, no one offered me to go to school. I do something. Working student, I did. But I cannot support all of my projects. It's because projects is very expensive and my salary is very little. That time that I take a course of dressmaking, my salary is 1,500 only, and I cannot support my studying. So I decide to stop because of it's my options only. Either than I can see my family, they died for hunger, not died. I mean, I don't want to see my family that they are suffering for, you know, poverty. So I try my best to help. Even that my salary is more, it's big help to them. And his tatay is the type of person that he'll never drink alcohol all the time. He's just drink one bottle of beer, the small one, yeah. But I never see that my father is irresponsible parents. No. He worked hard for us. That's why Ate said that tatay is our hero. Yes. We grow with tatay and nanay that we help each other how we can earn money. But I promised to myself that I move away in young age. For me, it's a young age because all of my siblings, they stay together with my parents. When I was 18 years old, so I moved to Manila and worked as a nanny, au pair in Denmark. So I earn a little money and then I try to help them to build the house. But I decide to stop because I know that land is not ours. It's like a temporary that we borrow, or we someone give us a chance to build without rent the land. So we build a house, but that's enough now because I decide that maybe later I can save money for my own house. I did it. You know, I built this house. Not nice, not perfect, but I built this in my own salary, and I'm proud to myself. Why? I've been in Denmark. I'll never pull person down so I can achieve what I want to achieve in life. I work hard for it. Why? I've been there as a nanny, au pair in Denmark. Alam mo guys, sa totoo lang, in how many years that I'm stay in Denmark, I'm happy that I build a house. Why? I cannot afford to build a house if I'm stay in Philippines without job or without business. So, in short is, sana ay pulutan nyo ng aral ang buhay abroad. Kasi ang buhay abroad guys is, kapag kaya mo pa, if you can manage to work because your body is young, in young age, you can manage to work. Yes. But you know, we're getting old. Later, you can think, I want to rest. I want to relax. I want to have relaxations that I can have a peace of mind. So you will think to go back where you came from. Even that you work abroad and how many years you think to go back someday? And you know guys, excuse me. Honest is, I think to go back where I came from. Why? Because this is my country, and I know that someday, um, I will choose to go home where I belong. Excuse me guys. Sabi ko, kapag ako'y naging pensyonada, I will go home. Pero sa totoo lang guys, ang buhay abroad ay napakahirap. Save for yourself. For yourself. Kasi yung buhay ng mga kapatid mo, easy lang yan sila. If they receive money, they will enjoy. If there's no money, they're asked credits. You know, their life is like, ngayon guys, kung magpapahila ka sa kanila, kawawa ka. Kaya, be clever enough to save money for yourself. Yun lang may i-advise ko. Ako, honest is, proud ako sa sarili ko, mayroon akong bahay. Bagyuhin man dyan, nandito ako sa loob ng bahay ko. So, I'm fine. I'm totally fine. Yung bahay ko, punong-puno na. Punong-puno na ng lumot. Pero, I'm proud that I have my own house. Ayun. Yun lang guys. Bye. Thank you. Thank you sa pakikinig. You can send comments if you want to ask something. Maybe you have a questions you can ask. This is my life. Yeah. Bye. God bless.